Hello, in this video let us solve a double inequality with one unknown. This means that we will have two inequality symbols in one question. For example, here is a double inequality. 2 less than 3x minus 4 less than 8. Usually we get two sides of the inequality. This time we have three sides, 1, 2, 3. One of the easiest ways to solve a double inequality is to work from the inside out and solve for the x. So we pretend that we have to undo all the operations that are inside with this x, meaning we need to cancel the negative 4 and we need to cancel times by 3. Following the order of operations, we undo negative 4 first by adding 4 to all the sides. Only this time we have three sides to do it to. Let's do that operation. So we add 4 to all the three sides. And that makes 6 less than or equal to 3x less than 12. Now the only other thing to do is to cancel multiplication by 3. So we divide all the sides by 3 and that makes 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. Now this is the answer, but we need to write it either in interval notation or in set builder notation depending on what our question is asking for on the test or the homework or the final. Both of these notations are used equally, so we need to be comfortable writing the answer both ways. Let's write first with the interval notation. So the interval notation may be easier to do if we first visualize what this inequality looks like. So here's a number line. We can plot the answers to this inequality by covering up one side at a time. For example, we can write what x less than 4 looks like. That's all the answers that are less than 4. Let's put them on the number line. Here is the 4, less than is everything to the left. So this side will satisfy our inequality x less than 4. And in interval notation, because we do not have an equal sign, the 4 will get a parenthesis as opposed to a bracket. So let's put a parenthesis here, right at the 4. Next side is this side. So it says, reading from the x, it says x is greater or equal to 2. So here is a 2. Greater or equal to is everything to the right. And because we do have an equal sign, the 2 will get a bracket as opposed to parenthesis. So bracket on the 2, and everything to the right of the 2 will satisfy our inequality 2 less than or equal to x. Now the part in the middle where the shadings intersected is the part that is true for both left side and the right side, and this is exactly the part that is the answer to our interval notation. All we need to do is copy this picture without the diagram and we'll be done. So the interval notation answer is bracket 2, 4, parenthesis. And that's the final answer. In a set builder notation, all we need to do is put curly parentheses to show that we have a set. Our variable is x, such that, and this is the rule that describes our answers. So we just copy over 2 less than or equal to x less than 4, and this is the answer in set builder notation. And that's it for how to solve a double inequality with one unknown. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. If you have some of your own questions you would like to see discussed, also let me know. Thank you for your time. Look forward to hearing from you.